Hey traders, welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies, the place where we turn complex trading into simple and profitable ideas. In today's video, we're going to try something truly unique and exciting, something that most traders have never seen before. Imagine this. We'll copy auto buy-sell signals from the IQ option platform using a special script and then place those trades on the pocket option platform. Sounds interesting? Let's see if this trick actually works or not. So make sure to watch this video till the end. You don't want to miss it. But here's an important note. To use this strategy, you must have the IQ option auto buy sell signal script. Without this script, this strategy won't work. No worries, I've added the download link in the video description. Go check it out and get started. Before we dive into the strategy rules, do me a quick favor. Hit the subscribe button, tap the like button, and press the bell icon so you never miss our latest trading tricks and tips. Quick disclaimer. Binary options trading involves financial risk. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Always trade responsibly and never risk money you can't afford to lose. Let's break down how this strategy actually works. It's super easy. All you need to do is open both trading platforms side by side on your screen. On the left, open the IQ option platform where you've already loaded the auto buy sell signal script. On the right, open the pocket option platform. Now here's the trick. Focus only on the IQ option platform, because that's where your signals will appear automatically. Whenever you get a buy or sell signal on a specific currency pair in IQ option, immediately take the same trade direction on the next candle of the same currency pair on the pocket option platform. That's it. No need to do market analysis. No need to read candles or patterns. Just copy the auto-generated signal and place the trade on pocket option. Time frame settings. Use 1-minute candles on both platforms. Set 2-minute expiry for your pocket option trades. Best time to trade. Trade during European and New York sessions when the market is most active. Avoid trading during major news events. The price can move unpredictably. Let's talk about risk management, because smart trading is safe trading. No matter how good a strategy is, protecting your capital is the real key to long-term success. Here are some golden rules to follow. Trade with a calm mind. Don't chase the market or let emotions take over. Risk only 1% to 5% of your total balance per trade. Never go all in. Never risk more than 10% of your account in total trades at one time. Always start with a demo account. Get comfortable before using real money. Backtest the strategy. Go through past market data to see how well it works. Now that you understand the full strategy, it's time to see it in real action. Let's go. All right, traders, here we go. We've just received a buy signal from our auto signal script on the IQ option platform. Now pay close attention. We won't rush into the trade immediately. We'll wait for this current candle to fully close. So as soon as this candle ends, we'll switch over to the pocket option platform and take a buy trade on the same currency pair, following the signal. As you can see here, I've taken a buy trade based on the signal we received from the IQ option auto signal script. We're following the exact strategy we discussed. No guessing, just clean signal-based trading. Now the trade is running on the pocket option platform, and we're just waiting for the result. Let's see how this one closes. But wait, I've got something even more exciting for you. At the end of this video, I'll show you a complete summary of today's trading session. You'll see each and every trade I took using this method. The winning trades, the losing trades. Everything will be transparent so you can judge for yourself how effective this strategy really is. So make sure you stay tuned till the very end, because this part is going to give you full confidence in whether this method is worth trying or not. Let's continue and see how the next trade unfolds. All right, traders, this trade didn't go in our favor. As you can see on the screen, we took a buy trade, but the market moved down and we ended up with a loss. That's part of trading. Not every trade will be a winner. Even with a powerful strategy like this, losses are natural and completely expected. Remember, one loss doesn't define the session. What matters is the overall performance across multiple trades. So stay with me. We've got more signals coming up, and I'll also show you a full summary of all trades at the end of this video. so you can clearly see the win rate and judge the real power of this strategy. All right, traders, we've just taken a fresh sell trade. As you can see, we received a clear sell signal from our IQ option auto script on the USDJPY pair. Following the same method, we've placed a sell trade on the pocket option platform right at the start of the next candle, exactly as per the strategy rules. The chart is set to a 1-minute time frame, and our trade expiry is 2 minutes. Now let's sit back and watch how this plays out. This setup looks promising. The signal came right after a strong bullish move, so we may be catching a potential reversal. Let's see if the script delivers another winning trade for us. Stay tuned because every trade we take brings us more clarity on how well this strategy performs in live conditions. Let's wait and see how this trade closes. And yes, we've won this trade. As you can see on the screen, our sell trade closed in profit. That's the power of following the signal with discipline and sticking to the rules. We didn't guess. We didn't overthink. We simply followed the auto signal script from IQ option and copied the trade to pocket option. This is exactly what this strategy is about. Simple, fast, and based on real-time signals. So stay with me. We're not done yet. Let's prepare for the next signal. Who knows? The next trade could be even more exciting. Let's go. All right, traders, we've just taken another trade. This time it's a sell. We received a fresh sell signal from the IQ option auto signal script, and as per our strategy, I immediately placed a sell trade on the pocket option platform on the next candle. Just like before, we're using 1-minute chart, 2-minute trade expiry, and no manual analysis, just clean signal-based action. Take a look at the chart. The market was already showing downward pressure, and this signal came at the perfect moment when the red candle had just started forming. This could be a strong move. And remember, we're not trying to predict the market. We're simply mirroring accurate signals from IQ option to pocket option with complete focus and discipline. Let's now watch how this trade unfolds. And don't go anywhere, because after this, I'll be sharing the final results of today's session, so you can see the full strategy performance, trade by trade. Let's keep watching. Another winning trade locked in. We just closed our sell trade with a solid profit. And that's another great result using the same copy-paste method from IQ option to pocket option. And guess what? While I was talking about wrapping up the session, I took one more quick sell trade. This copy strategy using IQ option auto buy sell script and mirroring trades on pocket option really worked amazingly today. It's simple, powerful, and perfect even for beginners, because there's no complex chart analysis, just signal-based execution. Don't forget, if you want the auto buy sell signal script, the download link is given in the video description below. Make sure to check it out, install it properly, and practice on demo before going live. So now, as promised, let's look at the final trade summary for today's session. Total trades taken: 6 winning trades, 5 losing trades, 1 win rate over 80%. And here's the full breakdown from our trading history. You can see the amount, payout, and result for each trade right in front of you. There's no editing, no hiding. Everything is shown with full transparency. This shows how powerful and practical this strategy is when followed correctly. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming powerful strategies. Also, comment below if you want me to test this method on other brokers or add new features to the script. Your feedback is always welcome. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another profitable trading idea. Until then, trade smart, stay safe, and keep winning.